When you find yourself with a little bald spot in your grass, you want to get it growing. What you want to do is get the ground a little bit saturated first before you put your grass seeds down, and stir the mud up, kind of break it up, because a lot of times if you try to place them seeds on top of that, the ground is kind of hard. The seeds ain't gonna do nothing but just rest on top of it. So you kind of want to get it broken up there. I'll show you. Oh, shit. Show you here what I mean. Just get a little bit of area done for you guys. I'm not gonna do the whole area. I just want to show you what it takes to get your grass growing in a week. Once you kind of got it down there, what you want to do next is let's pack it in there a little bit. Give it one more watering, just to kind of activate the outsource side, not the outsource, but the outside part of the grass shells, the grass seed shell, I'm sorry. You don't want to wash it away. You just want to kind of lightly mist the top of it, just to get the new seeds wet. The ground is already wet from the absorb in, but now you just want to get the grass seeds wet, almost like and had a nice little rain. You don't want to wash your grass seeds away, just lightly moisten the top of it. And that's it. They're going to like that very well. In about a week, depends on how hot it is in your area and the climate, you may have to water them once a day, but you will have grass within a week. All right, we're back 2 days later. As you can see, we got a little fuzz growing on the grass here. This is 2 days later. So it's been a total of about 3 days. But as you can see, we have grass growing. And what I would like to do now is give it some more water. So that's what I will do. Just give it a little water like this. And just give it to it every day, especially if you got a little sunshine. Just give it a little bit of water. Not ever too much water. You just want to watch when you're starting off, because you don't want to wash the seeds away. But once the grass gets to growing, the more water you give them, the better it is. That's why I say you do this every day. Once you get that grass poking out of there like that, water them guys every day. The grass loves it. And that's enough for today. Get a closer look first. Alright, YouTube. As you can see, it's been a full week now and I have grass. And the reason why I didn't do the other areas is because I wanted to show you guys a certain patch first before I did the whole thing. So you can see that you can have grass within a week. And there you go. I have grass within a week, and now I can do the rest of the little bald patches in my lawn. And that's how it's done. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.